Okay, so now we're going to continue factoring out trinomials, but this time b is positive and c is negative. So I'm still going to want two integers that I can multiply to get a negative, so their signs will have to be different. But then whenever I add them, I need this coefficient to be positive. So out of my two integers, my positive one needs to be bigger. So let's look at some examples. Let's say I had x squared plus 17x minus 18. Well, I want to factor that out into the binomials. So x squared will be x times x. We already said at the outset that our integers are going to have to be opposite signs to make them multiply to be a negative. So let's just put a plus and a minus. Now what multiplies to get me 18? I can do 9 and 2, but in no way is that going to get me a 17. I can do 6 and 3, but that's not going to get me a 17. How about 18 and 1? Now I said to make your positive bigger, so if I put 18 here and 1 there, if I multiply these two, it's negative 18, but when I add these two, it's a positive 17. So that one works. Let's do one more. Let's see. What if I had x squared plus x minus 6? I'm going to factor that out to get x squared. Here's my x and x. We already established that to get a negative when we multiply, my signs have to be different. Now then, to get 6, I can take 6 times 1, but that's not going to get me that understood 1 I'm looking for. So how about 3 and 2? 3 times 2 is 6. Make my larger number positive because 3 is bigger than 2. If I multiply these, I get negative 6. If I add them, I get a positive 1. If you ever want to check your answers, you can always FOIL it back, combine like terms, and make sure you come out with the trinomial that you were given. Thanks, and I hope this helps you.